welcome to this week's breakfast meal prep video. For this week, we're going to make a batch of overnight oats. So I'm going to do 3 different flavors that we'll have. We'll combine them all and then we'll store it in the fridge. So each morning this week, we can just pull out our breakfast. It's delicious. So I'm going to make a few different kinds. The first one is going to be a pumpkin flavoring. It has just regular pureed pumpkin. I'm going to do an apple with cinnamon, and I'm going to do a blueberry also. So in each of the overnight oats, of course, we'll have the oats. I'm going to use chia seeds. I love chia seeds, almond milk, and plain Greek yogurt. And then I'm also going to add a little bit of brown sugar into them to sweeten them up. So I will make them all, and like I said, we'll have them in the refrigerator ready to go each morning this week. I will put all those ingredients in the description box, so check that if you want to make these. And so first, I'm going to make the apple cinnamon one. All right, so I have 1 cup of oats in the mason jar. So that will be in first, and then I'm going to use 1 tablespoon of chia seeds. Going to add 2 tablespoons of plain Greek yogurt. I have half of a cup of almond milk. One teaspoon of brown sugar. Half of a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Now I'm going to add about half of a teaspoon of cinnamon. And we will top with our cut up apples. All right, so our apple cinnamon overnight oats are all ready. We will store them in the fridge, like I said, overnight, and we will have these for breakfast this week. All right, next is going to be our blueberry overnight oats. So again, I'm going to use 1 teaspoon of chia seeds. I have 2 tablespoons of plain Greek yogurt. Half of a cup of almond milk. 1 teaspoon of brown sugar, and half of a teaspoon of vanilla extract. And now I will top with our blueberries. All right, so the blueberry overnight oats are ready, so we will put the tops on them and store them in the fridge. Okay, so the third batch of overnight oats we're going to make is pumpkin. So I am going to again start with 1 teaspoon of chia seeds. And 1 teaspoon of brown sugar. Going to add 1 cup of almond milk. And then I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of pure pureed pumpkin on top. And this one is all set. All right, so our breakfast meal prep is done for the week. We have super healthy overnight oats. So we'll store these in the refrigerator, and each morning this week, we will have our breakfast ready. So we have the 3 different flavors, pumpkin, blueberry, and apple. So check the description box for the recipe for these. Leave me a comment if you have any questions and let me know what you think. Also, don't forget to click subscribe to my channel so you don't miss my other weekly breakfast and lunch videos. I hope that you have a great day, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.